Hey there, this is Hope. Welcome to my channel. So you may have remembered, if you tune in from time to time, that in my quarantine workspace video, I talked about getting an accent chair from Home Goods when I was putting my workspace together. And it served its purpose, but it's an accent chair. It's not really made for sitting for extended periods of time. So once I got started on my YouTube channel, I decided to get a desk chair. So that chair finally arrived. So I just want to kind of film maybe my reaction to it and let you see the type of chair that it is, and hopefully it'll serve its purpose and be a lot more comfortable than that accent chair. I generally do most of my posts on healthy tips, and although this isn't an outright healthy tip, getting a comfortable chair for your workstation is really important. So sitting on an accent chair for hours on end can cause a lot of tension in your low back and stress. So my purpose in getting an actual desk chair, something that is a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more roomy, has the elevation where I can raise it up and lower it so that I can work comfortably from my desk space. So in a kind of roundabout way, this is kind of a healthy tip video, so I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment to let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or just stick to teaching. So I ordered a chair from Wayfair in July, and the shipment has constantly been delayed over and over and over again. So my order was placed on July 29th with an original shipment date of August 12th, then delayed to the 25th, then once again to the 31st, then again to September 4th, and then finally to September 9th. By this time, I was ready to cancel. And so finally, after over a month, it has arrived. So I'm excited to open it and see if it was actually worth the wait. It's nice and heavy. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's yellow. Alright. Oh man, look at this. It's tufted and it feels so silky smooth. Oh, that feels so good. So soft. So pretty. And then this is the wheel thingy. I wanted chrome, but that wasn't an option, so I guess it's yellow, brass, gold. It's cute though, I like it. And then I'll have all of the extra. Alright, this I'm gonna have to put it together, I guess. I don't know how. Yeah. In a box with like the wheels. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this together and then I'll check back in and let you see the finished product. All right, I'm gonna test out my chair and sit on it, make sure it's strong enough to hold me up, and we go from there. All right. It's all good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications. And I know I have a lot of viewers that aren't subscribed, so if you aren't, do me a favor, just hit that subscribe button. All right, see you later.